tested a couple things today. Testing the iPhone 12 camera, testing the Zoom H1 audio, and let's just give this a shot. The Other Side by Greg Cox and Emily Sage. Really cool drum intro. Check this out. Right? Muffling my snare with this guy. I think it's muslin. Anyway, without the muffle, it sounds like this. So let's muffle it. And something really important here is that each of the strokes is really well defined. You're not just throwing the sticks down and hoping that, it sounds good. You're playing each and every one of those strokes. And the way to play those doubles really low to the head is you got to build up hand technique. You've got to be able to use your fingers down low, have complete control of the stick. So my Better Hands course will help with that. But basically there's accents, there's taps down low, and there's tons of control. And also he's just grooving, right? That 6-stroke roll is what it is played swung. And make sure that you put the track on and try to play it with him or her. I actually don't know the drummer on the song. I'll have to find out and put it in the description. But so groovy. So we'll play it slow a couple times. Here's how it sounds. Slower. Do you hear how after that first accent, the 2 taps with the left come in immediately after? It's not boom, boom, ba. It's not da, 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 da. It's da, 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 da. Not that. It's. Hopefully you can hear that articulation. So you're the one who has to control that, the speed of it, the loudness of each stroke. Right? Super groovy. You got to get control of your hands. And you can do that in a lot of different ways, but I've packaged everything over at TempleLeague.com into the Better Hands course. Start a free trial, give that a shot. So again, testing the iPhone 12 camera out, testing out the Zoom H1 mic, just messing around with some different stuff. Let me know if you like it, if you don't, and hopefully you got something out of this. Hope you have a great week.